Hi, I'm Pokisha Mary, Senior English Faculty at Gatik. I have been working for the past 23 years. I'm married to an English teacher. We are called as English couple. I'm blessed with 2 kids. My daughter, who's doing her MBA first year, and my son, very naughty, who's in 7th standard. Given to me a superpower, I will bless everyone with all the riches from above, eradicate poverty and make everyone happy and always smiling. The naughtiest thing that I have done during my college life was when I was doing my B.Ed. We were a couple of group of friends together, and when the lecturers were absent in the morning, we would just run out, watch a movie, and then come back in the afternoon and attend classes as good students. My students see me as their mother and vice versa. I say this because, except for COVID, all the other years, my students were with me and my birthday was celebrated with them at my home. I do believe in an old saying which goes as, enter people's heart through their mouth. Believing it, I have developed love for my cooking, and I treat one and all with great hospitality. What makes me happy is when people accept me the way I am. What makes me sad is when people betray me, cheat me, and tell lies especially. The one thought which I really love, live by it, is the thought shared to me, for me, by my KG teacher. It goes as, life is what you make, a joy, a sorrow. Take it in your hand and mold it for tomorrow. A very beautiful thought which I really follow. I understand it as saying, I need to work hard for a better tomorrow. So to make my better tomorrow, I work hard today.